This is a 2009 Ford F-150. This truck has an automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Features include a low tire pressure indicator, a double wishbone independent front suspension, traction control and stability control systems, 12-volt power outlets, side curtain airbags, 3-point rear seat belts, air conditioning, a folding rear seat, 17-inch wheels, and this vehicle has less than 36,000 miles. This vehicle won't last long at this price. Call and arrange a test drive now.
Bill Collins Ford Lincoln is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 4220 Bardstown Road in Louisville.